안녕하세요. I am Korean teacher Park. Today lesson 5. You remain lesson 7. So way to go. Today study 5 consonants. This pronunciation is sound made by closing your teeth and putting your tongue into the lower teeth. Please listen how to speak. First, Korean alphabet Hangul sound is Z, 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 Z. Second, 츠, 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 츠. Third, 쯔, 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 쯔. Fourth, 스, 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 스. Last, 스, 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 스. Listen again. 즈, 츠, 쯔, 스, 스. Practice again. Pronunciation. It sounds similar to the J sound in English. 즈, 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 즈. Write like this. 즈, 즈. Next, it sounds similar to the CH sound in English. Chair, 츠. This sound. 츠, 츠. How to write? 츠, 츠, 츠. Together, 츠, 츠. It sounds similar to the double J sound in English. What means double J? We already studied this sound. It sounds Z, right? Z sound more strength. Z, Z, Z. Listen again. Z, Z, Z. More strength. Sound Z, Z. Together, Z, Z. It sounds similar to the S sound in English. S, S, S. Write like this. S, S, S. Repeat with me. S, S, S. It sounds similar to the double S sound in English. We already learned this sound. S, right? S sound more strengthened. How to read? S, 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 S. Write like this. S, S, S. Repeat with me. S, S, S. Do you remember these 5 vowels? Let's read together. A, O, U, E. We already studied in lesson 1. A, O, U, E, right? Let's practice again using the vowels we learned before. First, how to read Z sound with A sound together. 자, 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 자. Next, 츠 sound with all sound together. How to read? 쳐, 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 쳐. Third, z sound with o sound together. 쪼, 쪼, 쪼. Next, s sound with u sound together. 수, 수, 수. S sound with e sound together. C, C, C. Read again. 자, 쳐, 쪼, 수, 시. Repeat with me. 자, 쳐, 쪼, 수, 시. How about this? Already remember, right? We already studied at lesson 4 these 5 vowels. Let's read again. 으, 에, 왜, 위. Right. 으, 에, 왜, 위. Practice again using the vowels we learned before. First, z sound with u sound. z, z, z. 츠, 에, 채, 채, 쯔, 에, 째, 스, 왜, 쇠, 스, 위, 쉬. Read again. 즈, 채, 째, 쇠, 쉬. Repeat with me. 즈, 채, 째, 쇠, 쉬. Today's basic words. First, how to read? Yes. 제주, 제주, 제주. Also same pronunciation, right? But it different Korean using different Korean alphabet. First is first shape, right, like this, right? And second is this. Same sound, right? But write different means also different. First, 제주, it means 길. Second, 제주 means Jeju Island. Did you heard about Jeju Island? It's very beautiful island in Korean. Next word, how to read? Yes, 차. It means two means. One is car and one is tea. We drink tea. This tea. Third, 짜다. It means salty. Fourth, how to read? Yes, 쇠. 쇠 means iron. Last, 씨. We already practiced this pronunciation, right? It means very easy, right? Seed. Its pronunciation little similar, right? So you can remember more easily. 씨 means seed. Next lesson we will learn 4 consonants. Thank you for watching. Your subscribe and good for me.